We are making gains, guys. We are making gains. Just got out of the gym. This is actually the next day. We trained. Me and this guy trained yesterday. I just did a legs and back workout today. Pretty much just squats and then my back workout. Today we're supposed to be pull. We're at Smoothie King, about to get some protein smoothies. Gladiator smoothie, 32 ounces. I get blueberries, banana. It's got 45 grams of protein. It's legit.
Strawberry banana activator, 32 ounce. It's lit.
Yeah, it's lit. We've been coming here pretty much every day, right? Has protein, has carbs, micros. You guys know the deal with this.
It looks like it's supposed to
The taste of biting this, then washing it down with this, really good. All right, guys, so we are back at the house. We just stopped at Walmart. I picked up some of this flat iron Angus steak, just under 3/4 of a pound, and I'm just gonna have it with some jasmine white rice. I am going to marinate this steak in one of these baggies with this marinade right here, which Nick introduced me to, which is extremely good, so I'm gonna do that right now. About 40 to 50 grams of this. $52. Okay, so we're just gonna let this sit until it is time to throw it on the grill. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm gonna have some of this Fire Greek yogurt, 2%, with a scoop of whey protein. You guys can use any kind of protein you want, any flavor. Try and pick a whey protein that has like 25 to 35 grams of protein per scoop. But yeah, just a scoop of protein and some Fire Greek yogurt before we get to that steak and rice meal. Get it all mixed up without making a mess. I'm gonna go mix this over the sink. Okay, so check it out, all mixed up. Like a pasty-like texture. And again, I used Fire, the 2%. They have the 0%, they have the total. It doesn't really matter. You guys can even use Greek yogurts that are flavored with like peaches, strawberries, blueberries, whatever it is. Chobani, doesn't really matter. Whatever your preference is. They usually all relatively have like about 15 to 20 grams of protein, or like 12 to 20 grams of protein. And you add a scoop of protein to get more protein on top of that. Okay guys, so check out this meal. We got the jasmine rice. I got some extra potatoes over here that this guy made. Thank you.
No.
And we got a flat iron sirloin that this guy also made for me. You the man.
Enjoy, bro.
Thanks, bro. We've also got a Diet Sprite. So tender.
It's cooked perfect, bro.
Yeah, it's lovely. And then we have these fries that were made in the air fryer. Oh, dude, that marinade.
Yeah. The honey teriyaki marinade. It's on point. Steak and potato is seriously like my favorite meal.
Yeah, that's been like your staple since I met you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Especially these speckled potatoes.
Dude, that was the daily platter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We used to bake these in the oven. It takes like an hour if you bake them in the oven.
Yeah.
But that air fryer just It does it half the time.
You know what this reminds me of? When we first met each other, and I would see posts like on your Facebook, and you'd be like, "The bread man is back."
All right. All right. I was always cooking bread, protein bread.
And my favorite rice is jasmine rice. It just has this like sweetness to it that just, in my opinion, makes it the most tasty of like any other kind of rice out there.
Dude, I was so wiped out earlier. Those deadlifts just took me down. I was just like mad quiet for a couple hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, those deadlifts, man. They will take you out.
Have you found that in your years you enjoy your steak more rare than you did when you were younger?
Yeah, I always used to get my steak well done. Well, I get a little rare.
Me too. That's
They saw your previous set, and then they saw you just increase the weight. And then they just stopped for a minute.
Oh my god.
Man, forever trolling.
We are clowns. This is hitting the spot.
Fatty meat is so good.
Yeah. And this marinade is no joke.
And then next time I'm gonna marinate them overnight. The longer you marinate it, the more it like soaks it up. And it almost like tenderizes it too. I love that this can just overheat.
Dude, it's money, right? That one of the reviews show that it can go for an hour. You know, the 6500 isn't bad, but you only get like 30 minutes tops. Had that been out, when I had this, I would have got that. Selfie screen, doesn't overheat, just a better version of the 6500 altogether, all the way around.
External mic, oh that one has external.
This one has that. I always finishes his food before me. Every time.
Sorry for that.
We are done. So that was a damn good meal and just damn good nutrition throughout the entire day. Really, really, really productive training session. How much weight did I do? Was it 235? Again, I'm still rebuilding my strength base since I got injured. For a 5x5, went up pretty good. After the first set, I was like, man, that's pretty heavy. That kind of sucked. But we got through them. Also, guys, my online coaching sale is still up. It's going to be ending before the start of summer. So that's 15% off any of my coaching packages ranging from 8 weeks, 90 days, 6 months, all the way up to 1 year. There's gonna be a link in the description below for any of you who wanna sign up. Make sure you guys like the video, drop a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You tell me to grow up, but I never show